Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to KT Garage. Today we're going to talk about lifting the F250 to 3-inch and then 6-inch. I'm going to tell you what the difference is in handling, the way it feels, and the way it looks by having just a leveling kit and a 6-inch lift. So I started out, I bought this truck brand new. It's a 2019 F250 4-wheel drive. Immediately I put on the just a spacer in the front to level the truck with 3 inches, just the front. And immediately after I drive home from putting the lift on, I can feel that the truck is not responding to the road as well as the stock install. Big difference. I mean, it felt a lot looser. Even though it's been aligned properly, it's a really nice shop that did it for me, so I know they did it correctly. It just doesn't feel the same. It's not as tight as the OEM install. So, but it's okay. I mean, it's still a lot nicer than my lifted Tundra with a 6-inch lift. My lifted Tundra felt like it's very loose and it's hard to control. With F250, it's you still can control it pretty well, and no death wobble or anything like that with the 3-inch spacer. So then last week I decided to lift the truck to 6 inches. So I brought it to the shop again and have them take away the front leveling kit and put a 6-inch lift on it. So they recommend to go with rough country. And the kit is pretty decent. I think it's like $1,700, include everything to get the truck lifted to 6 inches. And I can tell you that there is no change in ride quality from a leveling kit going to a 6-inch lift. So that's great news. That's really what I was hoping for. I drove the truck home and it felt like the same way I dropped it off with the 3-inch leveling kit. So I'm super happy with it. So and I want to pass the message along to you guys so you know what to expect. Now immediately just lifting it to a 3-inch leveling kit, you already felt that a little bit loose of when you steered the vehicle, but no change to the 6-inch lift. Matter of fact, it felt a little smoother in my opinion. And I took the truck up to like 85-90 miles an hour. No death wobble, everything is perfect, and it rides extremely nice. Even going around the curve, no issues. So super happy with it. Now let me walk around the truck to show you what it looked like with a 6-inch lift. Now before I take it in, I had another video showing you guys how to lower the steps. So now I'm going to show you again what the step looked like with 6-inch, because I did it before I took the truck in with just a leveling kit. So the side step was or the running board is a little lower than where it should be. Okay, look, so let's start back here and then we'll walk towards the front. You can see the truck is looking a lot taller, and these are 37-inch wheels. They fit perfectly in the truck, and this is what the running board look now. It doesn't look too bad. There you go. And it's a lot more friendly to get in and out. So you can see that I can put my foot up pretty comfortably, get it in and out the truck. And I would say it's about 2 feet off the ground. So this is the rough country lift. So it's got the new spring, new shock absorber, and of course the new control arm and all the extensions that's required. Truck look incredibly cool. It looks huge with the lift. Super happy with it. go. And again, you can see the side step of the running board the way it is now. It has a 2-inch drop from stock. Very comfortable to get in and out. Now at some point I'm going to replace it by the amp research one. I think the cost is like $1,600. I don't want to spend all my money all at once, so I'm going to get that on a little bit later. So for now, that's acceptable for the time being. That's what the back of the truck looked like. The video is helpful for you. I always wonder what the ride quality would be when I put the 6-inch lift on, and I don't have any friends that have a 6-inch lift on the 250 to test drive the vehicle, so I was kind of nervous walking in because I don't want to invest all this money and find out that the truck doesn't handle well and I'm gonna hate it. So, but I was super happy that the ride quality actually improved a little bit. Now one thing that you need to do is make sure that the steering stabilizer, you gotta get a good one. I went with the Fox. I'll give you the part number so you can get those. I think it costs like $450, something like that. There's a special design of that stabilizer that will give you that nice and firm feeling on the steering wheel in high speed. That's what I had on the truck. I appreciate you guys tuning in to KT Garage. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.